Hey everyone, I'm Justin and I'm the host of the channel Food and Cooking 101 on YouTube, and here are a few practical tips that will make cooking easier for you in the kitchen. The first tip is to organize your kitchen and store things practically in places that you're going to be using them. For example, I've got my stove right here, so in the drawer next to it, that's where I keep spatulas and tongs and things like that, and in the storage area underneath that, that's where I keep pots and pans. They're not stored in the opposite side of the kitchen or anything like that. And where the camera's sitting right there is where I do my prep work. That's where I've got knives and mixing bowls and things like that because that's where they're more likely to be used. The second tip is to keep a container of salt right next to the stove top. You should be seasoning your foods throughout the cooking process, not just the beginning or at the end, whether you're making pastas, soups, sauces, or whatever it is. And in the restaurant industry, there's a container of salt at every cooking station for this very reason. And the last tip today is to use thermometers and timers. Most stoves and microwaves come with a timer on them these days, so you might as well use them. And the last thing you want to do when you're cooking rice or baking a cake is forget when you put it in, so use these things. And of course, you're always going to have people in those social media groups that are like, if you need a thermometer, you can't cook a steak. First off, to that person I say, get over yourself. And second of all, no one's seeing your comment and saying, wow, this person must be really awesome at cooking. Rather, they're saying, what a douchebag, I wish this person would go away. So keep that in mind if you're going to drop a comment like that.